Hi again, everyone. I'm going to do a little bit more on peer-to-peer messages here. It dawned on me that I demonstrated how to send and receive a peer-to-peer message, but I didn't exactly give you a reason why you would use it as opposed to, say, a Winlink message or an RMS message. So let me give you a scenario. As I mentioned earlier, we have severe weather going through this area right now. So let me throw this scenario up to where we have shelters open and we have a net control station that is directing traffic for everyone. There's multiple ways of doing it, but let's go with two of them. One of them is that I'm at a shelter and I need to get a message to my net control. I would have to contact them by radio and say, hey, I've got a message for you. And then they would have to be ready for it, and, either open Winlink or do whatever they have to do. And then I would have to set it up and send it to them. Okay. Time is wasted. So what we can do using peer-to-peer is this. We would have a net control station. Let's use AC0EC, Alpha Charlie 0 Echo Charlie. That is our Aries call sign. So our net control station will be running under that. I'm at a shelter. We have 3 or 4 other people at shelters. At the shelter, I have a message. I have a shelter report to send out. So I address it to AC0EC, attach the template, put it in my outbox, connect, it goes, they get it. I don't have to call them, I don't have to tell them it's coming, we don't have to do a whole bunch of stuff to make it work, we just send it. So the second person has something for them, same situation, they send it. AC0EC has some traffic to go back to station number 3. All they have to do is put it in their outbox, and it's sitting there. When station number 3 connects, it gets sent to them. Okay. So you set up protocols like every hour I will connect to you to check to see if I have anything from you, and if I need to send you something, I will connect to you and send it. And then at the same time, if there's something waiting, I can get it at that point as well. Likewise, if Station 3 has something they need to send to me, they can send it to me because I've got peer-to-peer set up and going. The upside is it works without an RMS. The downside is you're all occupying one frequency, so there might be delays and issues. But for the most part, it will work seamlessly. So that would be one scenario use. And if I remember right, I watched these Wave Talkers videos, and that's one of the demonstrations that they gave was where they use P2P for that. They have like the net control, they've got a hospital set up somewhere in like the Los Angeles area. And so somebody can send the P2P message, if they have a patient they're going to transfer to the hospital, they can send that peer-to-peer message to the hospital, and the hospital will have the information before the patient gets there. Or a more likely case, because they help would be that the hospital will send a generic report to the net control about how many beds they have occupied and how many they have available, supplies they need, supplies they have. So hopefully that explains the benefits of peer-to-peer over an RMS or the radio-only messages for you. The other thing about the peer-to-peer is, in theory, they can connect by telnet if they have the IP address of the other station. That is one of the peer-to-peer options. So if they don't have a radio, they can still get in and send things, as long as there's a network connection. All right. Thank you.